Yoo Jae-myung in talks with Kim Soo-yeon in new drama. It was confirmed on May 1st by Ace Factory, Yoo Jae-myung's agency, that he's currently in talks for the upcoming drama Knock Off. Knock Off will be directed by Park Young-soo, who's known for his dramas like Forest of Secrets 2, Uncontrollably Fun, and Song of the Bandits. Even though there is no further details shared yet for Knock Off, it is said to be a black comedy, and the series is currently in talks to be released through an online platform. On the other hand, Kim Soo-yeon's agency, Gold Medalist, has confirmed back in March that the actor is under negotiation to star on the upcoming drama. That's it mga kaanyong. Are you very excited for the possible upcoming drama of Kim Soo-yeon after Queen of Tears? Comment your thoughts below.